So guys, I'm currently busy with Arya. What I plan to do is to relocate my battery that was in the front seat, and I want to relocate it to here. So I asked my dad to make me a bracket, and it's pretty solid. So this is going to be mounted in there because there are two holes to put screws, because the original one goes here, but I didn't have a bracket. So yeah, we made one that is going to be like so. Yeah, and the battery sits on here. So yeah, currently I'm busy with taking out the wires so that I can connect the battery. Alright, so the bracket is on, got them tight there and right over there. And right now I am connecting the cables. So this one goes to the positive side of the battery. This is going to go to the entire system. This is the feed, kind of feeds everything inside the car, dashboard, brake lights, and you know, everything that's going via this. And this one here, this is connected to the starter directly, so that you know, when you start a car, it should go directly. So these two are going together and on the positive side of the battery, and then I will make a negative side of the battery with some cables, because I bought cables. This is full copper cables, and we will be making a negative side that I will be connecting to the body, either here or you know, wherever I can find, and also one to the motor. Okay guys, got the terminals connected. This one goes to the engine and one goes to the body, also the plus. Obviously I need a bracket so that the battery doesn't, you know, wobble around, and I might have to put something here to kind of, you know, protect it, to not short circuit it. But let's check if it works. I think it will, but we'll see. Nice. Take my multimeter, check if it charges. Nice, 14.2 almost. That's good. So, Pawaka YouTube, Dano here. We're back with another video. Today I'm giving you guys a little update on what I'm going to be doing. As you can see, my car is on jack stands and steelies, because today I am selling my old wheels. Yeah, getting new shoes for Arya. A lot of guys have asked me what I have done to my car so far. I have owned this car for about a year now, and I think I'm going to give you guys a list, because a lot of people have asked me what I've done to my car so far, and I'm going to go over a list on everything that I've done to my car. But first, let me talk about the things that is completely stock. Okay, so the engine is completely stock, the head and the bottom end completely stock B18 LS, and also my pressure plate and clutch are also stock, but those are from a D series. So I have a B series engine with a D series transmission, so I'm driving a B to D. Reason for that is that the B series transmissions are a bit rare to find here in my country, and the D series are more common. So that's why that's why the previous owner did the conversion to D series. The way he did it is he took a D series flywheel and he just customized it to fit on the B series engine. So that's going on. As I already mentioned, the S40 gearbox is in there. It has very heavy gearing for long distance cruising, so my car feels a little sluggish right now. And yeah, that is the short gear, the S20 gearbox, which has short gears. Okay, everything in the engine bay is completely stock. You can see even my radiator is stock. I don't have an upgraded radiator. And all the pumps are in, the power steering and the air conditioning, everything is on there. Nothing is deleted. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over a list what I have done in upgrades. So the first upgrade I ever done on the car is the Walbro fuel pump, which I made a video about that. If you can click over there. And that is the Walbro fuel pump. That's the first upgrade I ever done. The second upgrade was the header, long tube header, 4-1 header, which are more for high RPM, but you know, it's an eBay one. It's not any fancy stuff. So yeah, that's the second upgrade I've ever done. And right now, the next upgrade that I have done is the K&N cold air intake. So my previous air filter was just hanging in the engine bay like that, and all the hot air of the radiator just goes into the engine bay and it sucks all the hot air in. And right now it has a cold air intake. So as you can see here, this is the filter. It's inside this canister, and there is a aluminum pipe going in the sidewall to the fender on the side. So yeah, whoa. So yeah, and there, in here, there's it's going to be cold air, none of the hot air in the engine bay. So it's sucking the cold air in, and yeah, to the intake. So that's the cold air intake. That's the next update I've ever done. I think my biggest upgrade and my most expensive upgrade, let me show you guys. The biggest and the most expensive upgrade I've done to the car is the P28 ECU with a Honda S300 version 3. I got that for a good price, for a fair price. And I'm still messing with that. I don't know how to tune, but we'll figure it out eventually. The reason why I don't want to bring it to someone to tune is I wanna learn how to tune myself, and I'm getting some help from Stucky to do that. And yeah, we don't have a dyno in my country, so what we do is just we change the map, we check the air fuel ratios, and we do pulls, and you know, we kind of feel it out if the car is any faster or response is better, those kind of stuff. So yeah, that's the thing. We don't have a dyno, so that's the way we have to do it. And I also got a X series wideband, AEM X series. This one I got for about 245, I think. Yeah, latest one, and happy with that. I think the installation is pretty much the same as the previous wideband, so I'm gonna be putting the link in the description. And yeah, so those are the things that I've done. I didn't do pretty much. Oh yeah, and I also got a new stereo, Pioneer. It has Bluetooth but no CD player. So that's what is going on. So yeah. And selling the wheels today, getting some fresher ones. I also bought a new scissor jack jack, but this one is a little better quality one, so hopefully that doesn't bend like the previous one. So yeah, I think that's it. So for those who were wondering what I've done to my car, those are the things that I've done. Nothing special, just it's near stock. So you know, I don't expect much of it anyway. So I do drive it everywhere, and I like driving it. So yeah, that was a small update. I think I will be going to the track and get the car tuned. I did go to a race last Saturday, yeah. But I couldn't film anything because it was pretty dark, and my GoPro, as you guys know, my GoPro is down. I already ordered a new lens which has a wider aperture, so maybe hopefully the night shots will be better. So yeah, waiting on that also. It's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe it was a little too quick, I think, but no action today, so so sorry. Later, guys.